Today, I am here to introduce an incredible cryptocurrency exchange known as CoinChanger. This platform offers a seamless solution for withdrawing Tether TRC20 and TRON TRX to PayPal, Skrill, and even your personal bank account. The best part is that this service is already available in 2024, requiring no registration whatsoever. With CoinChanger, you can easily convert your Tether TRC20 and TRON TRX into traditional currency and transfer it directly to your preferred payment method. Imagine the convenience of being able to cash out your cryptocurrency holdings and access your funds whenever you need them. Whether you want to withdraw to PayPal, Skrill, or your bank account, CoinChanger provides a user-friendly interface that allows for seamless transactions. No longer will you need to go through the hassle of converting your cryptocurrency into fiat currency through multiple exchanges and dealing with long waiting times. The team behind CoinChanger has worked diligently to ensure that this service is easily accessible and simplifies the process of converting your crypto assets. By eliminating the requirement for registration, users can quickly and securely withdraw their funds without the need for lengthy verification processes. Imagine having the ability to effortlessly and securely withdraw your Tether TRC20 and TRON TRX holdings, without any hassle. CoinChanger puts this power at your fingertips, allowing you to take full control of your cryptocurrency investments. So if you're looking for a trustworthy and efficient solution to convert your Tether TRC20 and TRON TRX to traditional currency, look no further than CoinChanger. With its availability in 2024 and no registration required, this platform offers a unique and convenient experience for cryptocurrency enthusiasts. In conclusion, CoinChanger is revolutionizing the way we withdraw cryptocurrencies. With its seamless integration with PayPal, Skrill, and bank accounts, converting Tether TRC20 and TRON TRX to fiat currency has never been easier. Enjoy the freedom of accessing your funds when you need them most, without any registration hassles. Trust CoinChanger to be your go-to cryptocurrency exchange for hassle-free withdrawals. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe, and we are always here to help you.